Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Program World. In the last video, we were discussing about features of Java. In today's video, we are discussing about Hello World example in Java. Requirements needed to start our first program, or for executing any Java program, you need to install the JDK if you don't have installed it. Download the JDK and install it. Set path of the JDK or the bin directory. Create the Java program, compile and run the Java program. Here is an example of Java program. There are many keywords here. Let me discuss all the keywords in the upcoming slides. As you know that Java is a platform independent. When we compile Java program using Java C tool, Java compiler converts the source code into a bytecode. Parameters used in the first Java program. When it comes to class keyword is used to declare a class in Java. It is a blueprint of objects. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class, and the name should begin with a capitalized letter. When it comes to example, if you see this slide, then here class is followed with the simple, which is a class name which is initialized with the capital letter. And then coming to the public is a access modifier, which we should use a public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to Java virtual machine. When it comes to static keyword, you can make a method static by using the keyword static. We should call the main method without creating an object. Static methods are the method which invokes without creating the objects. So we do not need any object to call the main method. When it comes to the void, in Java, every method has a return type. Void keyword acknowledges the compiler that main method does not return any value. When it comes to the main method, it is a default signature which is predefined in the Java virtual machine. It is called by Java virtual machine to execute a program line by line and end the execution after the completion of this method. We can also overload the main method. When it comes to the string of args used for command line arguments. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts a group of strings which is called a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of string values. Here, args is the array name and it is of string type. It means that it can store a group of string. Remember, this array can also store a group of numbers, but in the form of string only. Values passed to the main method is called arguments. These arguments are stored into the args of array. So the name args is generally used for it. Let us think, what happens if the main method is written without string args? The program will compile but not run because JVM will not recognize the main method. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with the string type array as a parameter. When it comes to system.out.println, it is a statement which prints the argument passed to it. The println method displays results on the monitor. Usually, a method is invoked by the object name dot method name. But you cannot create the object to the printstream class directly. So Java provides an alternative way to create the object of printstream class, that is system.out. Where system is the class name, it is declared as final. The out is an instance of the system class and is of type printstream. Its access specifiers are public and final. It is an instance of java.io.printstream. When we call the member, a printstream class object creates internally. So we can call the print method as system.out.print. It creates the printstream class object. This object by default represents the output device. To write the simple program, all you need to open Notepad by Start menu, All Programs, Accessories and Notepad and write a simple program like as shown in the slide. and then, as displayed in the above diagram, write the simple program of Java in the notepad and save it as simple.java. To compile and run this program, you need to open the command prompt by Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, Command Prompt. To compile this program, write java c space filename.java. To execute the program, java space filename. How many ways can we write a Java program? The first way is by changing the sequence of the modifiers and the method. Prototype is not changed in a Java. Here is an example where the modifiers and methods are interchanged. Static public void main string of aux. This is a valid main method. Next, the subscript notation in Java array can be used after type, before the variable or after the variable. Here is an example shown in the slide. You can provide whereas support to the main method by passing 3 ellipses. Having a semicolon at the end of class is optional in Java. Here is an example where class ends with a semicolon, which is optional. Here are the valid Java main method signatures. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. Please join our Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description. Thank you and have a nice day.